been a heck of a morning. Do you want to tell them about your morning, Esmaye?
No. I don't like my morning.
It's been so good you don't even want to talk about it, huh? Go ahead, lead away. Tell them how much you love your little calf children.
Why don't you do it?
So, we had calves out this morning, and it is now lunchtime, and Esmaye just finally got them put back in. So yeah, it's been a rascally morning, which means we haven't done many Christmas things, have we?
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna do these
I'm gonna eat at breakfast.
I got spaghetti cooked for you.
I know. I'm still hungry.
As soon as the oven's preheated, we can put our garlic toast in and eat. Woohoo. So, anyways, it's been a heck of a morning. Heck of a morning. We're going to open these advent calendars, and then Esmae's going to open up some subscription boxes that might be a good idea for somebody for Christmas. And yeah, I think that's going to be about it, because I got to work concessions tonight, so we got to head into town for the basketball game.
Hey guys.
And yeah. Anyways, let's get on with it. Alright, let's find number 4.
Number 4 on there.
Here we go. An angel brought Mary good news. There was a little town called Nazareth. A young woman named Mary lived there. She was engaged to Joseph the carpenter. An angel brought Mary good news. Alright, we gotta find number 4 on here.
Okay.
And Mama in her kerchief and me in my cap had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap.
Half eat it and then glue it on. And then get the chocolate out.
First you're gonna glue it and then chocolate today.
Uh-huh. And you take some.
Do you want to read your full story? What you got so far?
Uh-huh.
It says, "'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Hey!
The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap." And now the chocolate, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, and we'll see you guys after lunch, and this one's going to open up some subscription boxes, which will hopefully make her day a little better than it's been this morning, because it has not been very fun.
No, I had to go through barbed wire.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we're sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just like a little crazy.
So, today I'm going to be opening some book boxes and a Kidpik box. So, let's get started. And if you hear any noise, that's Josina playing with Legos.
Hey guys.
First up, we have a book called All These Bodies. Back says so much fear over one little girl. So I feel like I'm going to get a book about murder. I only have one other of those, so. Next, have the letter. Oh, it's about true crime and vampires. Alright. Then we have the signature of the author. Straight out of Radley pumpkin spice tea. So, I'll have to try that. I'm not a big tea fan, but let's see. What is this? Box. Oh, it's a mug. Okay, I like it. It says I belong in Mystic Falls. Sounds cool, so. Oh, and then I have a bookmark from Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Never read that or watched the movie or whatever in my life, so. And then I have a bag that'll be nice for tie-dyeing. Stranger Things. Now I have to tie-dye this. And then a pin that says Fantasia. Okay. And that's it for this one, so on to the next one.
Do you want to tell them how many book boxes you have? How long it's been since you've opened a book box?
Oh, it's been about 3 months since I've opened one, so I have 2 more. So first up, we have Passport. Oh, it's fancy. So it's India themed. Okay. So this is a scarf, I think. It's sitting here. Justina, move. No, you don't need to be over here. Go back to your spot. I'm gonna whip you with the scarf.
That's so long. That's a long guy.
It is a long scarf.
Do you want the scarf, Justina?
I like this scarf.
Oh.
It looks pretty.
I didn't know
use
you
it to
liked
decorate.
scarves.
I don't wear them, but. And then next we have. This is either an anklet or a necklace. Okay, so this is the necklace. Natural quartz. Oh! Mom, look how sparkly this is.
That's pretty sick.
I mean, I don't really like the brown. You can have it, but it is really sparkly.
It's pretty cool.
It is.
Little focus. It's cool.
Mhm. Alright. And then next we have an elephant.
Maybe be a good Secret Santa gift.
Yeah.
Look
She
at
doesn't
these
like brown,
flowers
though.
today. I love my flowers. Look at these flowers.
And a little elephant anklet. I might actually wear this. I like
Show the
anklet.
elephant. You need some assistance?
Yes.
I will be the assistant.
It's too bright. I can't get it right.
Close the door.
Well, let me just like there we go. Perfect.
Alright. And then next there's some black tea.
Your favorite.
A book sleeve. It matches a thing I have in my room that I've got from here. Just different colors. The other one's pink, but this one is green. Tealish. I don't know. It's cool though.
And it
I'll have to
even
put
matches
it by
my
the-
Dippin' Donuts.
Smells kind of weird.
It matches my Dippin' Donuts.
Alright.
I have a good one.
And then we have, oh, that's just, okay. Then we have the signature from the author. The note for the author. And then we have a book called Sisters of the Snake. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, and then after this, we have a Kidpik box.
We'll filled up the subscription boxes, are you?
Ooh. Okay, cool. This is probably like a Halloween theme, so this is probably from like October or whatever. Then we have this in it again. Ooh. That's cool. A wolf bracelet. I like this. This is something I'll wear. I can tighten it. There. I like that. And then we have berry cream tea. So I'll probably like that. What in the what is this? Oh, plug into USB. What do I use this for? Oh, it's a light. I see. Plug it in and it lights up. What do I plug it into? Oh, so it works with anything with a USB port. Say it's late at night and you have your laptop, you have a paper or something. I don't have a laptop, so can't even read with this thing. Next, we have something that looks like it's for mom.
This one, because this is my suit. I like it.
Oh, it's a tea. Oh, okay. So it's a tea infuser. So you can put fruit and stuff in this. Make fruit water.
You're not gonna put tea leaves in there?
Yeah. Well, it says also try with fruit to make fruit water. So I can't open it.
Would you like some assistance?
No. What had it think? There. Take a little bit, but so there's that. And then oh. Okay, so it's like a wooden glass keychain thing. I actually kind of like that. I don't have any keychains, but I do like it. Maybe hang it up. Then yeah, signature. The note and the book. Oh wait, no, there's a feather bookmark. I think this is my fourth one of these. I have quite a lot. I have a rainbow one. I have a sea one. I have a leaf. Yeah. And then we have a book called Red Wolf. Does look like something I like, so. Alright, now onto the Kidpik box. Least, but still last.
Least favorite and last.
Oh, wait. Last, but still least favorite. Yeah.
Look at that pink.
This is socks! Socks! Dad,
What?
look what they gave me for socks.
I can't see.
a gym bag.
Yep.
Oh, I feel those when that feels good on your foot.
And then
They
this.
feel like a gym bag too.
Yeah, no, not that. That's a no.
I'm gonna guess the shoes are a no.
I said that was a no. Not that. That's a no. Yeah, that's still no. I don't like the sleeves. What's the shirt look like? Yeah, no. And no.
They really nailed the pink on this one.
That's
So,
disappointing.
how are we rating Kidpik this month? On a
0
0 to
out
10?
of 10. 0 out of 100.
6 out of 7.
Alright, now, me and this little one gotta go to basketball. Somebody's gonna watch, I'm gonna work. I don't know what doofusy thing she's planning here, y'all. Alright, anyways, we're gonna head out for that. Hopefully I can get this video edited before midnight and put up.
I doubt it.
But it may be a tomorrow video. We'll see. If there was no video on, what is today, Saturday?
Yeah, Mom, it's
Then it
Saturday.
did not get edited. Alright. Well, anything else?
Kidpik's disappointing.
It is disappointing.
I want another stitch fix.
Alright, guys.
Bye!